Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You have root and you know the interface name. Start editing now. Explain why. Configuration files control IP, gateway, and DNS persistently versus temporary IP commands. Once done, backup originals so you can revert. Use pseudo /etc/network/interfaces to add an if-a stanza. Set address, netmask, gateway. Make sure to update /etc/resolve. Conf or add DNS via resolve conf. This first step makes your manual settings system-wide and reproducible. Now implement the detailed settings and apply them. You'll add the address in netmask, declare the gateway, and include options like MTU if needed. This ensures proper packet sizing and routing. Once saved, bring the interface down and up or restart the networking service so kernel routes update. Then validate. IPAddr shows the address, IP route shows default gateway, and ping confirms connectivity. If DHCP conflicts occur, ensure no DH client process is overriding your static config. Finish by persisting DNS and cleaning up conflicts. Make sure resolve conf or /etc/resolve. Conf contains your chosen name servers, so name resolution works after reboot. If Network Manager is managing the interface, disable it for that device to prevent overrides. This explains why manual edits sometimes fail. If you still lack connectivity, check Journoctal U networking and dmesk for driver or hardware errors, and confirm no firewall rules block traffic. One key tip: revert to backups quickly to revert breaking changes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.